Hello everyone, this is Sovik and you are watching Speak and Flourish YouTube channel. Now, in this video, I am going to introduce tense to all of you and I will be using English language to communicate here in this video. And your task will be, you have to take notes and you have to create your own speech. The more you will practice at home, the more confident candidate you will become. So without wasting time, let's start the video. In this video, I repeat, I'm going to introduce tense to all of you, and tense is the most important component in entire English grammar. So let's start the video. Now what is tense? You have to describe everything what I am doing in our next class. So you can take notes, you can listen to me, and I will also upload this on YouTube so that you can also go through this presentation, right? Now tense means time of verb. What is verb? The action word. I do it, I go there, do, go, come. These are all action verbs, right? There are mainly three types of tense: present, past, and future. Now again, there are four subcategories in each tense. They are simple or indefinite, but now we call it simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So if I try to make you understand what are the important types of present tense, it will be simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Now the examples are: I do it every day, I did it yesterday, I shall do it tomorrow. Now, these are the examples of present, past, and future tense. I do it every day. This is an example of present tense. I did it yesterday. That is an example of past tense. And I shall do it tomorrow. That is the example of future tense. Tense is the most important component in English grammar. As we don't have the atmosphere like the way a native speaker means someone from America or England, they get in their lives. As we don't get them, the atmosphere, we have to just be confident in tense and passive sentences, and then the conversation will come. Tense is the most important component in English grammar. Whenever you are trying your best to learn a second language, your second language, English language, or any foreign language, the morphological structure and syntax. The morphological structure means the word structure, how words can be created, suffix, prefix, affix, etc., etc. And then how they can be used in conversation, in sentences. The syntax part will come. Now you have already vocabulary, you know what is word, how you can use a particular word, because you are not in that level where you don't understand the meaning of the simple words. You have that understanding. Now the syntax part comes, and tense is the beginning of that. Once you are confident in tense, the journey will be easier for you to go through, right? So that's it. I hope you have understood the message I wanted to convey through this video, and you have also taken notes and you have started practicing at home. If there is any confusion, you can contact me. Everything is there in the description box, so check the description box and follow the instruction so that you can contact me. And if you are also interested to attend any free session on communication and soft skills, then you can also contact me. Everything is there in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification for recent updates from my side. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.